didn't even expect to. I was gonna vlog a bit in the shop. So basically, the mood light in the car, the tint shop, we just didn't plug it back in. That's all. So I was thinking, yeah, I'll vlog it, and then basically it took the guy like 2 minutes. I pulled the camera out. While I got the camera out, he was already putting the panels back on the car. So yeah. Anyway, I'll put in what I can from the Instagram story, and then yeah, you get to see it there. But that's all. Mood lights back on. So you got the red lights under here. That's all. You know what? I decided I can't leave the vlog there. So let's see if we can get some decent driving in for you guys. Before we go any further, please give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything that I post. This weather is so good. Oh my gosh, I need to get another convertible. Who here watching this is a convertible fan? Who is a convertible fan? Me personally, when the sun is out like this, yeah, I would love a convertible, I can't lie. Top down, especially in like, now when I'm driving the Hurricane Evo, top down, convertible, oh my gosh. Or the Spider, should I say. Love it. So much more noise from the engine. Yes, it's fun. There's a lot of people looking at me, it's kind of funny. Do you know what? The tyres should have limbed up a bit. This car is disgusting. Wow. Yeah. Like I said there, weirdly now the tyre temp is obviously higher, and it pulls so hard and it sounds so good. And I mainly did that because I don't like when buses get close without looking. Slight pull. This car is, yeah, that's just, yeah, I'm lost for words. This thing is just animal. Oh my gosh. And where this thing is, I've driven like so many cars, so many high powered cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Porsche, like you name it, AMGs. I've driven a lot of the highest powered cars, and I don't know, I think because this has been modified a certain way, it is mad aggressive. Like the pickup feels a lot more aggressive than some of those other cars I've actually driven, which is mad. Like especially weirdly, even the Hurricane, like, well, the Evo Spider, I'll speak about that one because that's one I remember the most. The Hurricane Path and the first gen that I used to drive around a bit, those felt similar. They were fast, but yeah, this has got crazy pickup, and the noise. I mean, I'm sure you guys saw that. I kind of got a bit of whiplash, but obviously the only problem is I can't claim against myself, so yeah, we're not getting paid today, unfortunately. Why are you still indicating, boss? Oh my days, what are you doing? Yeah, so we're not getting paid today. But anyway, it's cool. Oh shit. Wow, what is up with you drivers? They're trying to turn back here after that. I'm pretty sure. It's so nice. It's not like spawning, but it's not this. There's usually a GTR like right there. Is it there? No, it's in the garage. GTR in there's got about 1,000 horsepower. The guy used to live on my road. Right. Anyway, noise, yeah? Yeah, this car's just addictive, like, you can have so much fun in it. If I was on the track right now, wow, there'll be no traction, I promise you that much. I don't even like traction control if I'm trying to drive that way anyway. Let's go left. Let's go left, let's go left. let you go by because I don't want you hitting me. All good, all good. Do you know what? Another thing I didn't tell you guys I love about this car. In a lot of the cars, Ferraris and Lambos, it's not a big issue, but they only have the paddles for you to change gear. M cars, you got the gear shifter right here. I love it. I think the only other manufacturer that has kept that in their cars is Porsche, or Porsche, however you like to say it. But I believe that they are the only other ones that keep the shifter in the car. I love it. It's engaging. It's like you got a bit of paddle shift life, and then obviously you got manual life, sort of. Not really, but I mean you shift with it, so it's like a manual car. But it's sequential. Call it what you want. It's fun. I love it. This road surface, right? This is a funny thing with this car or any powerful car. I'm looking at the surface like, yeah, I'm gonna put my foot down, and then you can see like a lot of like shine, and then you can see like the dark bits, and you're just like, nah. Unless you want to end up in someone's front room, it's not the best thing. I wouldn't advise you to do it. So you've really got to think carefully when you're driving these cars, especially M4s. They're known for just going practically haywire if you drive them a bit hard and you don't remember that on bad surfaces, slippery ones, it's just very snappy. Catch you out. Where am I going? Do you know what? We'll go up here. We'll go up here. I've not been up here for a while. Right guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. I'm not gonna lie. This will be the ending. So I just need to turn the car around and then we'll park it up. I'll do it in here. Wow. This is so odd. You're driving here and the only place for you to turn around is when you approach this church, which I'm in right now. This is church on a Thursday. Jokes. Yeah. Anyway, guys and girls, yeah, we're gonna end it here, guys. And I can't even lie, the weather is, this isn't the right conditions to push it, and even if I was gonna do it, I don't have enough space, because even if I was to make an error, I don't have enough space for error. Like, I would just get caught out. There's posts, cars, people, houses, front rooms, dogs, foxes, too many things to get caught out by. So yeah, there's not enough room for error. So on the track, it's cool. On big open roads, it's fine. These roads, nah. Finally, focus. Cheese. I'm sure if you guys know what, well yeah, if you know what this envelope means, then yeah, you know. That is going on a special vehicle. I can't wait. I cannot wait, honestly. When you guys see what this is going on and what it says, and the meaning, I assure you, that is going on, how do we say it? It's naughty. What that's going on is naughty. That is, yeah, that is, just wait. Trust me. Wait for that, wait.